Hey, what's up you guys? My name is Delilah if you don't know already. I'm a freelance makeup artist and my channel is mainly on beauty, but we do like to have a little fun over here. In today's video, I got a package in the mail and we're gonna be trying a new Love Me Hair wig. When I got this in the mail, I'm like, what is this? This isn't the box that it usually comes in. Like, let me find out they upgraded. Like, they upgraded every single time I get sent something. I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinion and let you guys know how I feel about everything. This is my first time seeing the wig too. I didn't open it this time. I just opened the box because I wasn't too sure if it was from Love Me. So the hair, like off the bat, I smell like the chemicals. I smell like the dye of the hair. So if that bothers you, definitely shampoo it. This is a 6-inch unit. There's a lot of layers back here. It's really short. Has highlights. It looks like a 5x5 closure. I could part it anywhere. If I don't like this side of my part, I could just fix it. Let's try her on. Okay, I'm gonna definitely have to style her. Ooh, but I love that it comes pre-bleached. The knots are bleached. It's plucked. So I don't gotta put no powder or anything on this. I'm like on the go ready. Ooh, it's giving very like Marilyn Monroe. What am I going to do? I feel like this hair, why does it look ginger on camera? Like, it's a nice honey blonde in person. I feel like it's probably my shirt. Like, I got too much orange going on. It's giving very Hollywood, like old school Hollywood. I'm gonna cut the band first and we're gonna apply some wig adhesive, throw on our band, and we're gonna hot comb this baby. We're gonna flat iron her and just style her a little bit. Like, just kind of, I don't know what I want to do. This is the hair styled. All right, so this is the hair style and all that jazz. It's giving rich auntie. It's giving rich auntie vibes. This is something different for me. Like the cut is different. The color is different. It's really, really short. I feel like this is the shortest wig that I ever put on. I don't really know. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know how I really feel about the color. I would have liked this to be a lot lighter. A lighter blonde, a ashier blonde. Because it's like on camera is giving a very warm, like a warm, dark brownish blonde, and then on camera is giving ginger. I don't know why I'm not feeling it. Like I'm not feeling the color on camera, but in real life it's a lot more golden, it's a lot more brown, but on camera it's looking ginger, and I do not like that. Maybe because I'm looking at it in the viewfinder it looks like this, but maybe like when I upload the video it'll look different. I like the hair though. It feels really soft and light. It's easy to style. This is a throw-on wig. Throw-on wigs are one of my favorite ones because the lace is already pre-bleached, it's pre-plucked, so I don't have to do anything. I'm not good at things like that. I'm not good with bleaching. I'm not good with pre-plucking. If you guys are interested in a look like this, like just very grown, sexy, rich auntie vibes, like sophisticated look, I really do suggest it. I really do see myself dyeing this hair in the future to give it lighter highlights, because I know like this wig, if it was to be a lot more blonde, oof, like I will kill this wig. Like I'll rock it all the time. That's it for the tutorial. That's it for the install. That's my final review and my honest opinion on this wig. You guys already know I have a discount code for Love Me. It's going to be in the description box. I believe I get 23% off of when I do wear Love Me hair. I do get the most compliments on my hair when it comes to any like wig company. But yeah, I'm digging this. I'm getting used to it. It's something different. I just have to get used to the color. I'm not gonna lie. Like as you can see, I had to take off my sweater because I felt like it was too much ginger going on, and I didn't think like I didn't think about it. Like I didn't think, oh, I'm gonna wear this top and this sweater because I got a ginger wig. No, like I had no idea what color wig this was gonna be, but I do wish that this was a little more blonde. So yeah, let me show you guys the side, back. Alright you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a beautiful positive comment down below, and I'll see you guys soon.